Hello and welcome. Thank you for doing whatever you needed to do to get to this free content, free sample of my beginning iPhone app development course. Whether you entered your email somewhere or you clicked on an ad somewhere, or if I just gave you the link, I'm glad you're here. I hope you enjoy it. Now, this is a sample of a much larger course, and it's only one course of many courses that I offer. In this free section, you will have access to a whole section of lectures on beginning Swift and iOS programming, where you're going to learn about the Xcode environment, learn how to install it, and we will build your very first app ever. From there, I'm going to give you access to some lectures of a larger section that covers the Swift programming language. There's about a little more than a dozen lectures total, and I think in this sample here I'm giving you about 4 of them, and it's all you'll need to actually do the next section, which is a small little app I call Color Changer. It's a fun little app that allows you to change the color of the screen of the iPhone, whether it be predetermined colors or just completely random. And it's one of the apps that you would build in the much larger course. Yeah? So you have an interesting free introduction to programming for the iPhone. You'll learn about the environment, and you'll make 2 different apps, and you'll also learn a little bit about the Swift language. And at the end of this free section, I do have an interesting offer for you, so don't miss that. So I hope you enjoy this content. Feel free to reach out to me through the dashboard with any questions you might have. I'm glad to help. So go ahead and start your programming journey with Swift and making apps for the iPhone.